August 6, 2019, Wednesday, Singapore. This video shows a white bird looking like mynah. This is the common mynah, very common, and this is the first time I see a white one, looking very much like a mynah. Now I shall get closer to it, but it's quite nervous of people, keeps hopping away. It really looks so much like a white mynah, which is a rare color. I can't believe I've seen one. So many years I've not seen a white one. Now you can see it's quite far. My zoom lens is 200mm. Should I get any closer, it's going to hop or fly away. Now this is the common one. Look at the beak and the beak of the other one, almost the same shape and color. Now he's going further away. I shall go nearer to capture this rare colored mynah. Now it's flying off. It doesn't allow me to get any closer. So as I walk this side, he flew the other side. I shall not get closer, but certainly it looks quite like a mynah. It hops like one too. And this is Yio Chu Kang Crescent, north of Singapore. There's a bus depot, Seletar bus depot. Now I shall get a bit closer. He hops away again, so there's no chance of getting too close to him. I shall stop now. Today is Wednesday, August 6, 2019, Singapore. A video of a bird looking like a white mynah. Very shy, and it's about 7:30 a.m.